it shows when you establish a supplier business program that you have the capability to reach out to different pockets and segments of the community that may very well be in some of the businesses that can supply you some of the goods. And it would give you, I think, a leg up or foothold into showing that element or certain elements of the population that you're interested in doing business with them as they are doing business with you and frequenting your places of business.
Some of the most effective things I think TI did, we had a very, very active program in using minority businesses, female-owned businesses, and so forth as suppliers. Now, it's interesting the dynamics that flow out of that. When we would set a goal that we wanted to do X% of our procurement from, minority owned businesses and so forth, that we set that goal. Then we begin to say, okay, now what must we do to accomplish that? Now, probably you wouldn't intuitively think of that as a development program for leaders, but it was, because they said, okay, we want to have this many dollars go to minority businesses. Now, at the same time, we must not drop our quality. We must meet our time constraints. We must have the right kind of cost and so forth. Okay, so now what are the dynamics that begin to go from that in terms of how we work with suppliers, what kind of development we provide in helping them, how do we make sure we're communicating what our requirements are, and all of those sorts of things. I mean, when I look back at it, that was one of the most effective development programs we had for our managers, and it really had to do with doing business with minority-owned businesses.